There are many common misconceptions about cats that we often get wrong, such as the belief that cats are colorblind and only see in black and white, or that they can see clearly in the dark. I've even heard people say that cats are dumb because they don't recognize their own names. But are these things true or false? In this video, we'll break it down for you, piece by piece. Let's start with the first question that everyone is curious about. Do cats actually know their names? Cats may not understand human speech as we do, but they're experts at connecting sounds with specific outcomes. For instance, the crinkle of a treat bag or the hum of a can opener is like a dinner bell, instantly grabbing their attention. Tone also plays a significant role. Cats are particularly drawn to high-pitched, affectionate voices. But what about their names? Do cats actually know when we're calling them? A fascinating 2019 study sheds some light. Researchers discovered this by repeatedly playing the cat's name in 3 voices, followed by the cat's parent's voice. Not so surprising, 15 of the 20 cats tend to ignore when they heard a stranger's voice call their name, but had a significant rebound response when they heard their parent's voice. This shows that cats not only recognize their names, but also prioritize familiar and trusted voices. However, cats in noisy environments such as cat cafes didn't respond to their names as often as household cats, likely due to sensory overload from the constant buzz of sounds and names. So how can you get your cat to reliably respond to their name? The answer lies in positive reinforcement. The reward is extremely important, and make sure the reward is truly their favorite thing and not what you assume they like. Pairing their name with a treat, favorite toy, or some affectionate petting can work wonders. Just remember to keep training sessions short and fun. Cats have notoriously short attention spans, and they'll quickly lose interest if things drag on. And here's something even more exciting. Cats can learn more words beyond their name. It depends on the cat's mood and environment. Start with an easy word like treat. You say treat and give your cat a treat. Next, try some words that teach helpful behaviors, like come. This will be handy when your cat has disappeared in the house and you can't find them. Start out by luring your cat towards you with their favorite reward. As they move towards you, add in the cue come by associating a word with a reward, and soon your clever feline will catch on. Before we dive into something even more intriguing, take a moment to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips, tricks, and fascinating feline facts. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It supports us and helps fellow cat lovers discover these helpful insights and join our wonderful community. Can cats see color? We all know that cats experience the world in their own mysterious way, but have you ever wondered how they actually see it? Specifically, can cats see colors? While some people might think our feline friends view life in black and white, let us assure you, cats definitely don't see the world in just black and whites. They can perceive colors, but their perception is very different from ours. This has to do with cats' eyes being built differently from human eyes, particularly when it comes to cone photoreceptors. These tiny structures in the eye detect color. Humans have 3 types of cone photoreceptors, enabling us to see a full spectrum of vibrant hues. Cats, on the other hand, only have 2, which limits their color range. So what does that mean for your curious kitty? Essentially, they see the world in a way that's similar to a colorblind human. For cats, reds, greens, and yellows tend to blend together, making it tricky for them to distinguish between these colors. However, they can see muted colors, with blues, yellows, greens, and grays stand out more clearly. Imagine their view as a softer, muted palette where certain shades pop while others fade into the background. This is why that blue toy might catch their eye faster than a red one. So, the next time your cat seems mesmerized by something, remember, it might not be the vibrant red ball, but the way the light hits it or how it moves. But don't mistake their limited color range for poor vision. Cats excel in ways we humans can't compete with. While humans may stumble in dim settings, cats have adapted to navigate with ease in near darkness, leaving us in awe of their capabilities. This often sparks the common question, can cats truly see in the dark? While their night vision is impressive, it's not quite as magical as we might think. cats still require a faint glimmer of light to find their way. They can't see in complete darkness. However, with their ability to see in just 1/6 of the light we require, they're still far ahead of humans. This exceptional skill is thanks to the tapetum, a reflective layer in their eyes that bounces light back through the retina, giving their eyes that unmistakable glow in low light. What's even more fascinating is how this adaptation perfectly aligns with their crepuscular nature. Unlike nocturnal animals, cats are most active at dawn and dusk, the times when light levels are naturally lower. Their vision thrives during these twilight hours, giving them an edge in their environment. But cats don't rely solely on the tapetum. Have you ever noticed their pupils transforming from narrow slits to wide saucers? This clever design allows their pupils to expand up to 300 times their original size to capture every available ray of light. By comparison, human pupils can only manage a modest 15-fold expansion. This remarkable ability makes cats formidable hunters, even in dim conditions. However, when their pupils are fully dilated, cats sacrifice some sharpness in their vision, much like how squinting can make our sight slightly hazy. Even so, their nearsightedness is counterbalanced by their extraordinary peripheral vision, spanning 200 degrees compared to our 180 degrees. This wide-angle view is perfect for spotting the faintest movements, whether it's a darting mouse or a dangling toy. What makes their pupils even more fascinating is their slit shape. Research from UC Berkeley reveals that this feature is common in predators that ambush their prey, such as cats, snakes, and crocodiles. The vertical slits enhance their depth perception and distance gauging, crucial for that perfectly timed pounce. In contrast, predators like wolves and cheetahs, who rely on high-speed chases, typically have circular pupils optimized for dynamic pursuits. But don't let their sharp predatory skills fool you into thinking cats are all instinct and no intellect. In fact, their curiosity and ability to learn often challenge another widespread myth, the belief that cats aren't trainable. Many people believe that cats can't be trained, often assuming that they're too independent or stubborn to learn. But what if I told you that's just a myth? In fact, cats are just as trainable as dogs. They just learn in different ways. The truth is, most people don't train their cats simply because they don't know how, or they've fallen for the idea that cats are uninterested in learning. But cats actually love to learn and engage with their humans. They're curious creatures by nature, and training can be an incredibly rewarding experience for both you and your feline friend. I've seen videos of cats sitting in front of their food bowls, pressing a bell to get their owners to feed them one dry kibble at a time. Some cats even figure out how to fiddle with door handles and try to twist the latch to open the door. All of these behaviors are the result of training, or sometimes the cats simply observe their owners and learn by mimicking their actions. So, you can teach your cat simple commands or even more complex tricks, like fetching or sitting on cue. While dogs have the reputation of being trainable pets, cats can catch on just as quickly, especially when you use positive reinforcement. A clicker, a treat, and a bit of patience is all it takes to get your cat to perform. But remember, cats don't train the way dogs do. They're more subtle in their approach, often motivated by their own curiosity and a desire for rewards. If you approach training with respect, patience, and an understanding of their unique personalities, you'll quickly realize that cats are not just trainable, they're enthusiastic learners. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow cat enthusiast. Sharing is the perfect way to spread the love for our feline companions. And if the mysterious, quirky world of cats fascinates you as much as it does us, make sure to hit that subscribe button. There's always more to uncover about these amazing creatures, and we'd love for you to join us on this journey of discovery.